Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or disabling the respect device power mode settings on your Windows 10 computer. So basically this setting allows you to achieve better performance on your computer by decreasing the CPU usage for your indexing tool when your computer goes into power saving mode or gaming mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up the start menu, type in searching. When the best matches should come back with Windows search settings, go ahead and open that up. So on the right panel, you want to scroll down underneath Indexer Performance, Respect Device Power Mode Settings. You can either toggle this to the on or off position depending on what you want to do. And then once you're done with that, you should close out of here, restart your computer, and then the change should take effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.